In this video, I'm talking about top 4 VS Code extension for web development. Let's go to VS Code. Search bar. So number one is auto close tag. So search for auto close tag. Here it is. So basically, it is used for auto closing any type of tags in HTML and an XML file. Once installed, the extension works automatically in HTML and XML file. As you type an opening tag, the extension will automatically insert the corresponding closing tag. If you don't want to close a tag automatically, you can press Ctrl plus space. So another extension is auto rename tag. So search for auto rename tag extension in Visual Studio Code is another helpful tool for web developers, particularly when working with XML or HTML files. Once installed, the auto-rename tag extension allows you to automatically rename paired XML and HTML tags simultaneously. For example, if you change the name of an opening tag div, the corresponding closing tag div will be updated automatically to the next new name. This feature helps maintain consistency in your code and reduces the chance of error when renaming. Another extension is Path IntelliSense. Path IntelliSense is a popular extension for Visual Code Studio that enhances the coding experience by providing auto-completion for file path. Auto-completion for file path. Path IntelliSense automatically suggests file and directory path as you type, making it easier to navigate and reference files within your project. The The extension provides context-aware suggestions based on the structure of your product and file and dictionaries available. It considers the current working directory and relative path to suggest relevant options. So another extension is Live Server. Live Server setups a local web server for your project, allowing you to view and interact with your web pages as if you are live on internet. This is useful for testing and debugging web applications locally before deploying them to production server. It also good for live reloading. One of the key features of live server is live reloading, which means automatically refresh your browser whenever you make changes to HTML and CSS or JavaScript code.